Okay, so for this video, we'll discuss probability in biology and use that probability to predict genotypes and phenotypes of an organism. So to simplify the situation, we'll use a case of a coin. A coin has two faces, and either outcome will, if you do one flip, will be heads or tails. And now if I flip it again a second time, like this. Okay, now we are only interested in the results. So the results will be HH, HT, heads first, tails second, and if I do tails first, heads second, and tails both times. Now these guys have the same result, so they are basically interchangeable. And I got for my first probability, for my first result, the probability of getting that would be 25%, 1 out of 4, right? Sorry, yeah, something like that. Yeah. And these guys, since they're 2 quarters, 2 out of 4 is 50%, like that. And once again, the probability of getting tails twice is 25%. Yeah, looks like a division. Okay, so the problem is that this is very hard to follow, and there's actually a better way of writing this down. Something more visual, something more concrete. So just give me a second for me to set that up. It's going to take a little big square, something like this. A little too big, but yeah, it's not a big deal. Moved it again. Something like this, and oh yeah, and then all right, and then results. So we'll do it again with the coins. Okay, so we're gonna have H H T H T T T. Okay, so if I have a result of HH would be here, HT here, HT here, TT, TT. Okay, same thing. 25% would be HH. 25% probability would be TT. 50%, 2 out of 4 will be HT. HT. Okay, so let's change the situation into what we know in biology. Okay, so if we're looking at a monohybrid situation, a monohybrid is a cross with two heterozygotes. Okay, so I have one dominant allele, one recessive allele, and this will be similar results. Okay, so in the genotype perspective, okay, so I gotta write down this here. Genotype perspective, we got the same results: 25, 50, 25. Okay. Now, if I'm looking for the phenotype, the one that appears, okay, don't forget that these guys, okay, have the same appearance as these guys. Okay, they have all the same appearance. So the phenotype for the round ones, right, be actually 75%. Actually, no, let's change color. Give me a second. Very quickly. So it's easy to see. The phenotype, all round. So there'd be 75% will be round, 25% will be wrinkled. Okay? And this square here, okay, I hope I have enough room. It is known as the Punnett square. If I get the spelling right, I hope I get the right. No, it's 2 N's, sorry. 2 T's. Square. Okay. This here is the Punnett square, the green lining and arranging of the letters as so, the alleles, is a Punnett square. And we use this procedure, methodology, to find out the possible genotypes and phenotypes. Okay, so that's about it for this video, and I'll see you next time.